This is everything you need to know about deck maintenance. Hi, I'm Ben. Maintaining your deck is essential to uphold its appearance and durability. Let's get into it. First off, you should look for any damaged or rotten boards, loose nails or screws, and if they need replacing, replace them. If you need to prepare the surface, sand the deck using a belt sander, following the wood grain, focusing on areas of splintered timber or previously finished areas. When it comes to deck maintenance, maintaining a regular cleaning schedule will help prevent dust, dirt and algae buildup. To clean the deck properly, sweep the deck surface regularly to remove loose debris. Then mix the deck cleaner with water as per the manufacturer's instructions and scrub the deck using a brush to remove dirt, mould and stains. Rinse the deck with a garden hose or pressure washer, ensuring all the cleaning residue is washed away. Next, apply painter's tape to the areas you want to protect. Stain, varnishes and oils are different type of finishes. While they both provide protection, they also enhance the appearance of your deck. Once you've selected your finish, pour it straight into the bucket. Dip your deck roller into the finish, push the roller down on the tray so it isn't too wet, and begin following the grain of timber applying the product to the deck. And there you have it, the steps to maintain your deck. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.